Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to celebrate an occasion on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the pause button down below, which is the third option. After that, tap on Celebrate an Occasion. Select one of these options such as Welcome to the team, so you can congratulate a new colleague joining your team, or you can also show appreciation, share a new project milestone, celebrate a career milestone, and so on. Here you can add a picture or select one from these preset options. Tap on the button Next. In the upper right corner you can select recipients, so put a check mark icon next to their name, then click on the Next button, and as you can see there is this preset text. We are excited to announce the launch of our new project, #new project. You can also delete this text and add your own one, and you can add pictures, videos, photos, and so on. If you are done with it, you can also add connection options such as who can comment on your post, anyone, or connections only, or no one. Then tap on the pause button in the upper right corner of the screen to finalize this process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.